Hello and welcome. Are you ready to discover an exciting opportunity that could change your life? Whether you're looking for extra income, a new career path, or simply love luxury perfumes and natural beauty products, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how Essens is expanding to Australia, Canada, South Korea, and how you can be part of this incredible journey. Stay tuned. Are you looking for a way to break free from the 9-to-5 grind? Want to earn extra income from the comfort of your home? Now is the time to start your own online business with Essens. Essens is a global network marketing company offering luxury perfumes at affordable prices, inspired by high-end designer brands. But that's not all. We also have a wide range of natural beauty products and health supplements designed to support your well-being. The best part? You can turn your love for beauty and wellness into a successful business. Whether you want to save money on your favorite products or build a long-term passive income, Essens gives you the tools to achieve financial freedom. And there's more. As an Essens member, you get access to an exclusive travel club where you can find the best deals on flights and hotels worldwide. Imagine making money while traveling to your dream destinations. Essens is now expanding in Australia, Canada, and South Korea. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to be one of the first to build a business in a brand new market. Don't wait, sign up today for free and start your journey with Essens. Thank you for watching. If this opportunity excites you, don't wait, register for free today and start your journey with Essens. Click the link below to sign up and take the first step toward financial freedom. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips, success stories, and updates on growing your Essens business. See you in the next video.